With all the new mobile devices out there, it's become even easier to take your work with you. While devices like laptops, ultrabooks, and tablets are convenient, some lack a full range of ports to connect to all your peripherals. At the office or at home, you don't want to be restricted to a small screen. You want to be able to spread your content out to view your work across multiple screens. DisplayLink technology enables a single USB port on your laptop or Windows 8 Pro tablet to connect to all of your desktop components, monitors, network, audio, and other USB peripherals. Connect a single USB cable from your device to a DisplayLink-enabled dock to easily stay connected to your entire office. Even tablets and mobile devices can spread out content over multiple displays, giving them the connectivity power of a desktop system. Connect a Windows 8 Pro tablet, and the tablet screen can be displayed to provide a large screen experience. Connect more monitors to span content and applications easily. When you're ready to hit the road again, unplug the USB cable. All of your applications move back to the mobile screen, and you're back on the move.